I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my sack right.
Yo, you look so little.
Who, me?
Yeah.
On the bike?
Yeah. The bike looks bigger than you.
That's good, actually.
I guess.
I don't want to look goofy.
Yeah.
You know?
Hey. Hey, third gear, okay. Did you downshift?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't see it, so I guess that was good.
I did it right now.
You didn't downshift then.
Well,
you were scared.
You
didn't downshift then?
Yeah, but like, not how you wanted me to.
So you didn't downshift. All you did was hold the clutch in.
No, I did.
But you didn't release the clutch.
No.
Okay, so you didn't downshift basically. Go downshift. Go. Go. You're in neutral. That's why it was so smooth. You went to neutral. Do it again.
Okay.
Good.
One more time.
Okay.
I downshifted all the way. I kicked it too hard. I knew it the minute I kicked it that I kicked it too hard. Oops.
Again, you gotta do it again now.
I was doing so good.
Are you downshifting when you go over there too?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So
you're practicing both ways.
I upshift. I downshift.
Oh, she out. Oh, she out. Oh. Good shit. That was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you were coming in real fast. Good shit. I mean, it's kind of tall, but her bike could get over that. Look how tall it is. There, spin.
Look.
Yeah.
No, it is. Should I get off? Or do you want to get off of there?
Get on.